I'm gonna talk to the parents real quick first. Hey guys, how you doing? So today we're gonna go over the couple of strategies that the kids are gonna use for their test. Tomorrow is their topic 10 test. I will be sending them out with this form here. It's kind of like a word problem, and they have to solve it. They'll take this home, study it, and tomorrow we'll take the test. Now the strategies. Put it over here so like that they can see better. Okay, so the first strategy that you guys should all know is the standard algorithm. You guys should know the standard algorithm. Let's give you an example. We have, this is a standard. I'm gonna put standard algorithm. I'm gonna put standard A, just so I don't have to keep writing. Standard algorithm. First problem is 3 times 2 over 3. Standard algorithm is pretty much just multiplying it straight. What you could do is you rewrite your equation, rewrite it, 3 over 1 times 2 over 3. And what you could do is just multiply straight across, guys. Multiply straight across, which gives you 6 over 3. Standard algorithm. Another way that you could write it, 3 times 2 over 3. 3 times 2 over 3, you rewrite it, 3 times 2 over 3. Okay? Then you just multiply across. The 3 just gets transferred over. 3 times 2 equals 6. Remember, the 3 does not get multiplied times the 3 here. The whole number does not get multiplied times the denominator. Never, ever, ever. You're never going to go through that. Okay? You're just multiplying the whole number times the numerator all the time. That's it. Even in repeated addition, which I'm going to show you now, you do not add the denominator. All you have to do is add the numerator. Here, you do not multiply the whole number with the denominator. You just multiply the whole number with the numerator. You guys know what a numerator is, right?
Yeah.
Matt? Numerator is the top number, denominator is the bottom number. Okay? Repeated addition. It's another strategy, guys. Repeated addition. Repeated addition. I'll put repeated addition, repeated A. Let's take the same problem here. We got 3 times 2 over 3. Repeated addition is just breaking down this equation into its addition form.
Yeah.
So, right here, this equation is telling me I need 3 of the 2 over 3s. I need 3 of those. So I need 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3. When you pronounce the equation, when you say it, you literally say 3 times 2 over 3. How many of the 2 over 3s? 3 times. So what are you going to take? Again, never add your denominator. Denominator stays the same. That stays at 3. You're adding your numerator. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals what?
6.
6. You guys get that?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, so we've done standard algorithm. We've done repeated addition. Now, let me show you how to draw it out in model. Now, we're going to go into the models. Drawing it out in models, right? So, let's going to put model here or drawings. However you want to solve it. You can use either or. All right. So let's use the same problem. We're going to stick with the same problem. 3 times 2 over 3. You could use circles. You could use rectangles. Try to use circles or rectangles because those are the easier ones that you could break down equally. Because you need to break that whole number equally. So in this case, yes. Yep, square is also easy. Yep. You could use square, rectangle, circle, anything that you could break equally. Okay, so I have 1 hole, 2 holes, and 3 whole rectangles. Here you go. I'm gonna split these. And if you look at it, the same thing that you see here, you're seeing it here, just in model form. 2/3 is 2/3. Okay? Repeated addition, model form. You see it in numbers, you're seeing it in drawings. It's the same thing. You got 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. You see that? 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. It's still going to give you 6/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts selected, right? And the 3 is demonstrating how many parts per hole. You guys got that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Same thing. If you look up here, 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3 is pretty much represented in this model, in this model, and in this model. The same thing.
Okay.
Number line. It's another strategy. Number line is the next strategy and the last strategy. Here we go. Number line. Your number line is built the same way. You're going to draw your number line. I start with my number line. I always start with a what?
Hole.
With what?
0.
A 0. And then my end number would be what?
1.
No, 3.
It's 3 because I have 3 holes that I'm messing with, right?
Yeah.
Okay. My 3 holes. Now I have to break my number line by 3. 1 hole. This is 1, 2, 2 holes, 3 holes. You see here, this right here, this model, this drawing, rectangle, is pretty much the same thing as your number line. I am dividing my number line into 3. It's the same thing, guys. I want you guys to realize that what you're drawing, you're just drawing the same thing in different forms. That's it. And then you are going to choose what you're going to use to solve the problem, whatever problem you're going through. You choose the tools that you want to use to solve the problem. You could use number lines, you could use drawings, you could use standard algorithm. Okay, you could use repeated addition. It doesn't matter what strategy you choose. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay? There's people that feel comfortable with the number line. Okay? I necessarily, personally don't like them. I like drawing things out. I like standard algorithm. But people like number lines. They see it better. Everybody's wired different. So, right here. How am I going to demonstrate 2/3 in my number line? You start at the 0, guys. You start at the 0, and you go 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2 out of 3. 1, 2 out of 3. Number line. 1, 2. 1, 2 out of 3. 1, 2 out of 3. It's the same thing, guys. Here you go. 1, 2. 1, 2 out of 3. 1, 2 out of 3. You add them again. 2, 4, 6. You're going to get 6/3. You see how it represents the same thing? Okay? It represents the same thing. All right? Let me show Mommy and Daddy real quick. Hold this, Caleb. Just like that. Okay, so right there, hold it right there. Okay, so we have the standard algorithm, okay? Then we have the repeated addition, that's another strategy right here. Then we have the drawing strategy where you could draw your model out, draw it out, okay? And then last but not least is your number line strategy, okay? So they could use these strategies on their test, however, whichever they feel comfortable with to solve a whole number times a fraction equation, okay? All right, guys, good luck. Bye, family. Say bye, guys.